Busy days, busy days. So today is my play date. So yesterday while I was learning to fly, they rented the bulldozer for today. So check this out real quick. No dogs. So that bulldozer, they delivered it yesterday for usage today, and there's a huge pile of dirt that I need to move with the tractor and put in like the marshy area. So I have a lot of work cut out for me, and I'm going to get started. It's Playdate Day! So with the heavy lifting finished, we are swapping from the bulldozer to a skid steer. You guys probably know what a skid steer is. I'll show you. This thing here, they're gonna use that for the finish work. But this trailer is pretty cool, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. All right, so Adam's gone, the bulldozer's gone. There is a guy named Oscar still working on the yard and his skid steer, but since that's pretty much a duplicate of the tractor, the outdoor portion of my day is done, which is good, because I've had a lot of outdoors in the last 2 days. I just uploaded my video. Hello, Ender, my dog is here. And the comments are filled with all this midlife crisis talk, in addition to your normal feedback on my music. I thought I'd address the whole midlife crisis talk because I don't know, it's interesting to me. It seems like when you hit your 40s, it's unavoidable. No matter what you do, they're going to tell you you're having a midlife crisis. In my opinion, that feels unfair. So when I was 12, surfing was my passion, right? And for the next decade, it dominated my thoughts in a way that very little else did. And then after that, it was hockey, right? I started playing hockey. Everything I wished I did, I was hockey. I used to keep hockey gear in my car just in case I drove by a pickup hockey game and I could spontaneously join in. After hockey, it was fighting, right? Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Muay Thai, boxing, etc. That was where all my passion and energy went into. I still follow it, but I don't really want to fight anymore. And lately it's been paramotoring. In my opinion, this is how I play this game, baby. Like if I find something that is interesting to me, if I find something that I have a passion in, then I do that thing. That's how it, like, if this were Skyrim, like, this is the passion account. This is the follow your dreams account. It's how I play it from the get-go. It's new to me that it's being called a midlife crisis because, like, this is just how I'm wired. It's always been like this. But if you want to call it a midlife crisis, I guess, knock yourself out. It makes no difference to me. I'm going to learn to fly. That'll be fun. This is the long-awaited Painkiller Already knife unboxing. These things sold out in like 5 hours, so a lot of people wanted them that didn't get them. But I got them because I know people. It looks like, all I did is cut out the return address. I'm getting more clever at this vlogging stuff, so I haven't actually seen it. Ooh, return address. It fell in the box. I've got the One Tree Lane stuff, packaging material. Oh shit, I held my knife backwards. All right. CRKT, confidence in hand. Now I think, nice. Oh, just flip it.
Oh, wow.
It's got the PKA, it's like laser engraved. Ken Onion, well, that means nothing to me. Whenever I go knife shopping, it's like, this was designed by Ken Onion, the famous knife Ken Onion. He apparently is some big deal in knife circles. But it's lighter than I thought. This is an easy, everyday carry. Like, oh, and it opens. Is it spring assisted or is it just the weight? I don't know. It's like it sticks in the first so it doesn't like come out, and then once it does, it...
Oh, it's a Ken Onion.
I like it. It's just what I hoped it would be. So I carry this multi-tool all the time, and I love it. The weakest part of it is the knife. It's not a lock blade, and I don't know. Because it's the most used thing, I wish it was stronger. I had thought that I would everyday carry this in addition to it. People do that. And use it for the knife. I might also just keep it as something I remember, about PKA. I don't know.
I know, Dad. Your new knife thing makes me think that you should get a leather jacket, white t-shirt, and grease back your hair a little bit. Start snapping at me.
I like the way you're thinking. Yeah. All right, to be a whole greaser thing. I like this. I'm glad that we did it. I don't know. I'm proud of the knife. I think the people who buy it will feel like the people who bought it, I should say, will feel like we did them right. I don't know what we'll sell next. Maybe the hot sauce thing will happen.
Do you have hot sauce in your bag, swag, Dad? Do you get that reference?
Okay, it's probably not the reference you were making. Chris Rock has a comedy routine in which he says black people keep hot sauce with them.
Not what I was referencing.
Okay, what were you referencing? Nice and loud, the mic's pointing at me.
Beyonce.
What is...
Beyonce's song Formation. Have you not heard Formation?
I probably have, but tell me more.
It's the song that she played at the Super Bowl.
Oh, are you going to fill me in on all the details or just continue to leak them out one by one?
I think that we should Google the Formation video and watch it together.
Can't you just tell me?
No! It's an experience you have to have for yourself. You'll see why.
Okay. 1 minute and 10 seconds. That's how long I made it into this freaking awful song and video. I don't know why you made me watch that. I suspect you don't truly love me. She said something about hot sauce in her bag. That's all I really got.
It's just not cultured like us cool kids are.
Yeah, you tell her in the comments that I choose excellent songs for my vlogs. And,
Yeah, Barbie girl.
okay, last shot of the day. It is about 1:30 a.m. and I have to like do the PKA stuff, MP3, upload, etc. I have to upload, or I'm sorry, render and edit this video you're watching right now. Lots to do, so let me get to work. Thursday nights are late nights for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Have a good day.
She was living on couches that belonged to her friends. She would see with her feet and her shins hanging over.